All right, this is a quick guide how to apply to tenure and promotion using the UNLV Folio system. You can go to the UNLV Folio page. The best way to do it is to Google UNLV Folio or whatever your search engine is. Click the big red rectangle that says Login. If you've already logged in, you'll go directly there. If not, you will be asked for your ACE account information. Okay, if your activities are already all entered and you know everything's in there, all you have to do is go to Vitas and Bio Sketches. Then you're going to go down to the third I here, which is Tenure and/or Promotion Application for Academic Teaching Faculty. Go to that. Click that third I. Open it up. You're going to get the clockwise circle, which means that UNLV Folio is thinking very carefully about things and is pulling stuff together. Now what you're going to want to do is refresh Vita to have your entire review period. So let's say I was applying for tenure and I got here in 2014, I would do this. Then lower left, refresh Vita. You'll get the clockwise circle again. It's still thinking about things. And it'll do some more thinking. You know, we can say a lot of things about software, but I think it's a very positive thing that this is such a thoughtful piece of software and so deliberate, which is good. Okay, so it's pulling all your stuff together. Should have already been entered in activities. Now, what I want to do is go to export and share here in the lower right, export it as a PDF. You then get a completely blank screen, which oftentimes would be the signal to panic. In this case, do not panic. It's just thinking. We see down here, it's waiting for UNLV Faculty 180 Interfolio. So it's thinking very carefully. All right, so don't panic. Don't turn off your computer. Don't hit back, don't hit refresh, just give it some time. Okay, we now have a prompt to download it. So I'm going to download it into my documents right there. Okay, now that I've downloaded that, I go to my packets. I can see that I have an active packet. I go into that packet. Here it is. I can see in the overview, documents not yet submitted and supplemental materials. Let's go into the packet. Easiest way to add it is to go to Add. And I'm going to go to Add New File. And then I just drag and drop it. Or I can search for it, or I can drag and drop it. There it is. I have to hit Add, not Cancel. It thinks about it some more, it adds it. And now you can see that it's been added. Let's say I want to add some supplemental materials. I go to Add, and I can pick something from here. I can add a video. I have a random video here. I can add that. Add the video. Let's say I want to add something else. I want to add an article. I can add an article. Let's say I want to add a syllabus. Can I do that? Yeah, I sure can. Here we go. Spring syllabus there. So I've done all that. As you'll see, this is still thinking. Once I've added everything I want to add, and once it stops uploading, I can hit Submit. And this may take some time, so I'm going to end the video before I do that. But suffice to say that when you hit Submit for your supplemental and Submit for this, it will then be locked. It will go to the next step in the review. And this is pretty much everything that you need to do. And that is how you upload your application to UNLV Folio.